Hey guys, how are you? We are back and we are going to be doing our third vegetable dish for you guys, or our third carbohydrate dish for you guys. And before we get into that dish, I want to show you something very easy. So along with food prep and making proteins in bulk, making carbohydrates in bulk, and making salads in bulk, you want to make sure that you're pre-washing a bunch of vegetables that are ready to go. So if you just want to eat something raw, you can have it ready to go. This is going to stay in your fridge. So if you want to make a salad, if you want to make a stir fry, if you want to eat something raw, if you want to have something late at nighttime, instead of having chips or cookies, you go have some of this, you dip it in some tuna mix, you have it with one of your egg omelets, or you put it with some peanut butter. Next, tell them what we're making.
We're going to be making a bean salad for our third carb. So again, very easy, very clean. Get yourself some kitchen scissors just to help you out. It makes everything way easier when you have to snap some vegetables.
Okay.
And cut them really small too. We like to use all our vegetables too that we're using inside our salad raw.
So this one is going to be easy. You're not cooking the vegetables. You're simply chopping them up. We're going to put them in a bowl. We're going to throw our beans in. We've rinsed the beans out.
So for this recipe, what we're using is we're using some chives. We have some cherry tomatoes, some broccolis. We have some mixed beans for our salad. And we're also going to put in some green olives. Now, if you don't like green olives, you can substitute them
black
for
olives.
And in this bowl right here, I have my marination. So it's basically just some crushed garlic, olive oil, about, for this type of size of salad, which is about, I'm gonna say 4 cups of beans. And
three, 4 tablespoons or less?
Yeah, so it's about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I have some lemon that I also like to squeeze on top of my salad. And you can also add your salt and black pepper if you like black pepper.
If you like cheese, guys, you can always add feta cheese if you want, goat's cheese.
Yes, that's another option you can do, or you can do also a dairy-free salad.
Okay, so we've cut up the tomatoes, we've cut up the chives.
Perfect.
This is a cold pasta salad. So for those of you who say, I can't really have my...
You can add pasta, we
oh, sorry. So this is a cold bean salad.
It's a cold bean salad, but what you can do is, if you want, you can swap the beans and put in your short pasta. Usually works better for this type of salad. I wouldn't do a long pasta, so something short. And what you could do, you can also do a mixture. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll take half of these beans and then I'll do about a cup of pasta. So it could be your whole wheat pasta, and then you just mix it all in. Another carbohydrate you can use is quinoa inside.
And these are really easy because if you're concerned about bringing your food to work and not having a microwave, if you work in the trades and you're out all day and you're doing construction, or you're in a position where you don't have time to warm things up, you can easily just pull this out and have it nice and cool. And what's nice is you're mixing your carbohydrate, which is going to be your beans, plus your fibrous carbs, which are your vegetables. And if you really felt like you wanted to have a little bit more carb, let's say you want to have a small slice of homemade pizza, a small slice of bread, some cracker, a little pasta, you can always add it on the side as a side mixture, instead of making your whole plate be the pasta or the rice and then adding a little bit of vegetable on it. So we cut about a half a cup of olives. These olives are yummy. They got garlic in the middle. Okay, so that's that. And what's next?
And guys, if you're creating this salad and your goal is to weight gain, right, Dimitri? What they want to use is you want to use more carbs into your salad and then less vegetables. But if you're someone who's trying to lose weight, what you want to do is you want to have more vegetables and less of the carbs. So again, if you're going to be putting some short pasta in here into your salad, what you could do is just use maybe half a cup.
Yep, you can take it when it's cooked separately and just add it on. As you can see here, You got minimum 4 fists worth of vegetables. A small piece of chocolate brownie cake, literally a half a cup of brownie cake will have more calories than this whole container full of vegetables. Next, you want to throw in your beans, right?
I'm going to throw in my beans. These are rinsed and cooked. Okay.
Beautiful.
And then I'm going to squeeze my lemon.
And again, you always want to under add in terms of over adding. So if you need to add some extra, you can always add on to it. Here's your cloth, darling.
Thank you. And then just some salt. I'm going to say it's about a teaspoon and a half. And I get a spoon for this. I'm just going to mix what I have here again. It's garlic and olive oil.
The garlic is the secret. Without the garlic, you will not get that ting. If you really want to be fancy, you can get a shredder and you can shred in some of the zest, some of the skin from the lemon as well.
Yeah, that's yummy too. And then you just want to mix everything. This is so easy, simple, all clean, good ingredients. Go.
Let's have you see it in the middle. So there you go, guys. We've made a bunch of proteins for you. We got some yams cooking in the oven. We're gonna take the chicken breast off the grill. We have a bunch of food for you. Wish you could come over, but you know what? It ain't gonna happen. So we're gonna enjoy this with our videographer, Mark. And like I said, in total, I believe it's taken us about an hour and 10 minutes. And we're gonna do a snapshot, like a screenshot at the end to show you all the foods we've made in an hour and 15 minutes. Remember, at the end of the day, what you do, how you do something is how you do everything. So if you're looking to change your lifestyle and you're looking to change your physique, yes, the gym, the coach, the program is one aspect, but the nutrition is another aspect, and you have to fall in love with it. You can't be doing it as if it's a task that you don't enjoy. Because if you don't enjoy doing something, you're not gonna do it well. And if you don't do it well, you're not gonna make it be part of your lifestyle. This is what me and my wife have been doing for the past 25 years together, okay? And really it comes down to it, it's a Sunday ritual. Now, all this food that we made is probably gonna last us probably till Wednesday, maybe Thursday, because I eat double than the family does. But if you don't have someone that's trying to gain weight in your family, and you guys are all looking at weight loss lifestyles, you can get away with having a nice, enjoyable Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday where you don't have to cook, everything's ready to go, and more importantly, everything can be portioned out. Because if I want to take this mix right now and I want to scoop up 1 cup of this mix, put a piece of chicken and throw some pine nuts next to it, my meal is complete. Hope you enjoy this little mini series. We'll get back to you when we're done all the meals. And I'm getting hungry, are you?
Yes.
I think it's time to go eat. Check you out in a bit.